जिगर के टुकड़े का मासूम सा सवाल।
पापा आप घर कब आओगे?
जी भर रुलाता है, लेकिन फर्ज के आगे वो सब भूल जाता है।
फर्ज हमारी जिंदगी, वतन हमारी जान, मुल्क की तरक्की के हम हैं, हर पल निगहबान हम हैं।
CISF, फर्ज जिंदगी है।
Apart from Delhi Airport and
CISF, the shield of security. For 56 years, CISF has been the iron wall of safety, the silent sentinel guarding India's rise. Established in 1969, it has grown into a 2 lakh strong force, stationed across 358 units in 25 states, standing, watching over 1 crore people every single day. Wherever India takes a leap in science and technology, CISF secures. Wherever India builds, CISF protects. Wherever threats rise, CISF neutralizes. From airports to seaports, nuclear plants to space agencies, industrial hubs to historic landmarks, CISF is everywhere. Watching, guarding, preventing. They have taken over the security of the Parliament building, ensuring that the heart of Indian democracy remains impenetrable. Jails in Jammu and Srinagar now stand fortified under their watch, sealing off threats before they can emerge, safeguarding the nation's industrial power and protecting its mineral and atomic strength. Every checkpoint is a barrier against unforeseen dangers. Every vital installation, a responsibility they defend with unwavering resolve. In the face of any attack or intrusion, they stand like a fortress, immovable, unshaken, undefeatable. Their strength is professionalism, precision, and an unyielding will. In a world where threats are dynamic, CISF stays ahead, detecting, deterring, and dismantling before danger strikes. As first responders, they act swiftly, ensuring safety before crises escalate. But security is not the only dimension. When disaster erupts, the CISF Special Fire Wing rushes where others retreat, charging into flames, battling chaos, saving lives. Men and women in uniform, marching together, stronger together. Their duty isn't a routine. It's a commitment to defend with their life. Their oath isn't just words. It's an unbreakable vow. Nation before self. Duty above all. For 56 years, CISF has answered India's call with loyalty, competence, and an unshakable resolve. The shield of security, the force behind India's rise as an economic and global power, the guardians of a billion dreams. CISF, protecting India, securing its future. CISF, the shield of security. Wherever threats rise, CISF neutralizes. From airports to seaports, nuclear plants to space agencies, industrial hubs, wherever threats rise, CISF